Arneso started in 2017 as a part-time business. Ang office namin ay sa basement lang namin. And then it grew a little bit more. And in 2021, nag-incorporate kami. And this is the time na nag-full-time din kami as accountant. And then, ang services na in-offer namin ay bookkeeping, accounting, payroll, tax services, business plan, business registration, business consultancy, and a lot more. So, and of course, my wife here, she also does mortgage, I do insurance and mutual fund at the same time. Arneso is using a lot of tools, accounting tools, payroll software, accounting software, para maging efficient yung aming processes at the same time maging maayos yung pag-process namin sa aming mga clients.
So Arneso helps businesses here in Nova Scotia and even outside. We have clients from BC up to Newfoundland, Alberta, Toronto, PI. Well, yung Atlantic, no? Lahat ng Atlantic provinces. So we help them by ina-unburden namin yung kasi matrabaho yung tax filing, tax preparation, and bookkeeping. So at least our clients or the business owners can focus on their business. They'll have more time to grow their business. Tapos kami nang bahala dun sa madugong part ng bookkeeping.
We do the dirty work. Alright. Sa mga business owners, unang-una at pinakamahalaga ay dapat separate ang business account sa personal account. Unang-una, may bank statement dapat ang business, may bank statement ng personal, credit card, meron din sa business, meron din sa personal. Hindi siya pwedeng paghaluin. Pangalawa, keep all your invoices and receipts and make sure sana yung mga receipts or invoices ay business related. Kasi mamaya may makita kaming resibo, halimbawa Victoria's Secret. Malamang hindi yan business related expenses or dog food, di ba? So, hindi natin dapat sinasama yan. Pangatlo, kailangan ay merong magre-record ng mga transactions ninyo para malaman ninyo kung kumikita kayo or nalulugi. Magkano na ba yung HST babayaran ninyo? Magkano tax ang kailangan yung bayaran or ipunin? Pang-apat, tandaan, yung HST ay binabayaran ng customer mo o ng kliyente mo at hindi mo yun pera. So, wag mong gagastusin. Yun lang. As mentioned a while ago, isa sa mga nagiging problema or issue ng mga business owners ay ginagastos nila yung HST amount. Kumbaga, yun nga yung perang binayad ng customer na hindi mo dapat gastusin kasi ito i-remit mo siya sa CRA. So, tandaan mo yan.
So, yung benefit to outsource your accounting, bookkeeping, payroll, and tax is, as mentioned earlier, the client or the business owner can focus more on their business, tapos kami sa dirty work, and aside from that, makakatipid din sila kasi mas maraming time ang magugugol nila sa business. Minsan kasi nauubos yung time nila just fixing their books. And isa pa, may mga package na ino-offer yung Arneso. So for instance, kung sa amin yung bookkeeping and payroll, mas may mga packages kami na mabibigay, ma-offer sa client. So mas makakatipid sila in the long run. So, and then also kung bookkeeping sa amin, pagdating ng filing ng tax, mas mabilis, mas makakamura, and tama yung pag-compute ng tax.
At mura lang kami, guys. Magtanong. It's a good timing for all of us kasi ang Halifax or ang Nova Scotia ay continuously booming. Marami pupunta dito na from all over the world or from other provinces, and it's a good timing na yung mga Filipinos, lalo yung mga Filipinos nagkakaroon ng business sense ba na nagtatayo sila ng mga businesses. So if you are part of the group or owners na parang sumasama sa wave, then this is your chance para magtayo ka ng business.
We build long-term trust with our clients by having constant communication 24/7. Joke lang. During office hours, they can ask anything. We help them with whatever problems. Wag lang pera.
Huwag lang mangungutang.
Wag lang utang. Also, I would say na we help them with their taxes, especially yung pag-communicate sa CRA, kung anong requirements ng CRA na po-provide namin, na help namin sila. So they are happy with our service.
Well, this is an activity na nagsasama-sama ang mga Filipino because of food, because of camaraderie, because of friendship, because of live music, and a lot more. So ito yung, pag sinabi kasi yung Oktoberfest, hindi naman lagi ang usapan ni inuman. Ito yung way para mag-meet ang mga kaibigan, ma-meet ang mga bagong kaibigan, ma-meet ang mga lumang kaibigan, at magkaroon ng masaya at masiglang community dito sa Halifax.
Ako excited ako sa Filipino talent.
Yes.
We have our website, arneso.ca.
www.arnesto.ca. Nandun na rin yung aming contact number. Nandun din ang aming email addresses. And marami nang nakakaalam ng number namin. So, tawagan nyo lang kami.
Wag lang midnight.
Wag lang midnight.
We also have our Facebook page. You can just type Arneso. Sa Google, mag-google din ang mahanap nila agad ang Arneso, and there are 2 offices, one in Halifax, one in Dartmouth. So they can also visit our office. They can find it through Google Maps.
Ilagay nyo lang sa Google Maps, best bookkeeper in Dartmouth, best bookkeeper in Halifax. Makikita nyo pangalan namin.
So you can drop us a message in our Facebook page. You can ask anything about your business, about